A US airbase in western Iraq that hosted President Donald Trump during his first visit to combat zone as a commander-in-chief was one of two military installations where US troops are stationed that came under the ballistic missile attack by the Iran early today. The attacks came hours after US Defense Secretary Mark Esper said that US should expect retaliation over the US killing of the Iran military commander Qassem Soleimani in a drone strike in Iraq on Friday. According to the Iran updates, the Iranian state television stated at least 18 Americans were killed in the attack involving 15 missiles Tehran launched on the US targets in Iraq, adding that none of the missiles were intercepted. But US President Donald Trump said in a tweet that all assessment of the casualties and the damage from the strikes was underway and all is well. The state TV also said that Iran had 100 other targets in the region in its sight if Washington took any retaliatory measures. It also said that the US helicopters and military equipment were severely damaged. Iran's army also renewed a demand for US troops to be withdrawn from the Middle East.